Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the top 20 Kali Linux commands you need to know to become a power user. Seriously folks, if you're into penetration testing or just want to master that terminal, Kali Linux is your playground. But that command line can feel like a beast at first, can't it? We've all been there. But hey, that's why I'm here. We're going to demystify these essential tools, ensuring you get why they're crucial and how they'll make you more efficient. This isn't just a list, it's your launchpad to owning your Kali experience. Think of it as getting the keys to the kingdom, unlocking serious potential. By the end of this, you'll be navigating Kali like a seasoned pro, ready for advanced tasks. We're here to boost your confidence and skills, turning that command line from foe to friend. So get ready, and let's unlock the power of Kali Linux together. It's gonna be awesome. Alright, first up is, this baby lists directory contents. Just type to see files and folders around you. Super fundamental. Next, for change directory. It navigates your file system. Example, takes you right into your documents folder. Easy peasy. Print working directory shows your current location. No real flags needed. It's straightforward, but resolves symbolic links first. Makes directories, so handy for organizing projects like, use for parent directories if needed. Removes empty directories. Tip, if it complains the directory isn't empty, use for non-empty ones carefully. Removes files or directories. Pitfall, it's permanent, no recycle bin here. Is the stuff of nightmares, so double check. The command is your go-to tool for copying files. You can combine it with other commands like this. This is powerful stuff for those targeted backups, folks. The command is used to move or rename files. For a bit of advanced usage, you can use it with wildcards, like to move all text files at once. It's super efficient. The command is quite versatile. It creates empty files or updates timestamps. It's related to the command for viewing timestamps, or you might want to use if you need to create the directory first. The command displays file contents. In the real world, you can quickly view configuration files with, or even combine files using. The command is a simple text editor. From a security perspective, it's important to ensure that files you edit, like scripts, have the correct permissions, and don't unintentionally expose sensitive data. The OR editors are powerful text editors. When it comes to performance, they are lightning fast, even on huge files where other editors might choke. Truly, a workhorse. The command is your go-to tool for searching text. If you're running and not finding anything, you might want to check your case sensitivity or try using a broader term. The command helps you locate files. If you're looking for alternatives, remember that is faster, but relies on a database. For simple searches in the current directory, you can also use. The command is used to change file permissions. Recent versions of are quite stable. Updates usually refine error messages or improve POSIX compliance, but there haven't been any major functional shifts lately. Changes file ownership. Specify user optionally group like, this is crucial for managing access control. Configures network interfaces, though is newer. For help, use or search online forums. There is tons of community wisdom. Tests network connectivity, best practice used to limit packet count like avoids endless pings. Shows network connections, routing tables. Practice with options like to see listening ports, get hands-on to understand it. For secure remote login, super vital. What are your go-to tricks or config tips? Share them in the comments below. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. Let us know in the comments which Kali Linux command you use the most. Your feedback is gold, helping us craft content you genuinely want to see. Plus, your top command could inspire our next deep dive. So there you have it, 20 essential Kali commands to kickstart your journey to becoming a true power user. It's a solid foundation, but remember, practice makes perfect. Fire up Kali, get your hands dirty with these commands, and really experiment. That's where the real learning and muscle memory building happens. Mastering the command line is an ongoing adventure, and this is just the beginning. Keep that curiosity alive, keep exploring, and you'll be amazed at what you can do. We'll have more tech goodness for you soon, so stay tuned. Thanks for being part of Tech Talk.